Yes, the Norfolk boy here, and this evening is going to be a bit of an auspicious occasion because I've decided to see whether or not the engine will start. I've filled it full of fuel and I've primed all the fuel rails. I've done the wiring, I've double checked and double checked and double checked. I've got a pre-lube oil pump, which I'll show you over, that's just over there. I'll show you how that works. Right, this is just an ordinary little hydraulic pump, 12 volt here, and it sucks the oil up from the sump plug. I've machined out the sump plug down below. It comes up through a pipe here, through a filter, and then it feeds its way under pressure into the oil galleries, which are just down there, and into the main oil galleries. The reason I put that is because it's been about 2 years since I completely built this engine or rebuilt it from nut and bolt upwards. And although it's all greased up inside with graphogen and various other lubes and stuff, I felt that pre-lubing it beforehand adds a little bit more protection to the bearings, because it is a bit of a brute, these V12s, and there's an awful lot of oil galleries in there. So it's nice to have it re-oiled. I put all the Evans coolant in here. That's all done. I've checked for leaks. There's no leaks on any of these pipes here. They've all been put in with proper jointing. As I said, the fuel rail has been bled. Okay, the water circulating pump is working. The fan is working. What else? I've double checked all the fuel lines to make sure there's no leaks there. I've double checked the timing on the front. I've done that. I've actually plugged the unit into my laptop and I've double checked all the configurations on that, and everything has been set up by Emerald. I am nervous about doing this. I'm doing this live, well, live as much as I can make it. The dashboard, the dummy dash is in. I've done all that. I've done all the adjustments on the actual steering. That's okay. So the lights work and everything. It's just a question of, will it fire up? Am I likely to get a sheet of flames coming out of here? Will it backfire? I've got no silencers on it at all. I'm waiting for those to come back. So it's going to be straight out of these pipes. What else? Well, I've double checked all the injectors. I've cranked open, these are fractions, so I don't know what the RPM will be. I've no idea because I don't have a rev counter on it. It's just a matter of trying it and seeing what happens. That's all I can do. So here we go. I haven't got any ear defenders on, but I think I might put those on at the moment just to protect my ears. Otherwise, I don't want to lose my hearing because I don't know how loud this is going to be. Oil pressure. Well, I have pre-lubed it already. I will just show you that. Again, I'll put the pre-lube oil pump on. You can hear it running, and then you'll see that the gauge is rising up. Do you see? It's rising up. It goes up to about 50-60 psi. It's a great little thing. You can have it spring loaded, and it just sits in there, and you can pre-oil all the bearings before you start the engine. Right, that's it. That's pre-lubed up. So here we go. So we're going to put in the this is this immobilizer kit, Thatcher's I think it is, or whatever. We'll put that in. We'll flick the switch down. So we've got the pump running. Right, here we go. This is the start button. Let's see what happens. There it is. I'm amazed myself. I really did not think that was going to start, but it's absolutely spot on. That time was spot on, everything's spot on. So I have to say that I'm reeling from the shock at the moment, because I really didn't think that was going to fire up. And as I said, rebuilding one of these engines completely from scratch, it is quite a task, but it works. It's fine. It's fired up for the very, very first time.